How to change language on iPhone. To change the language on your iPhone, you first need to go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Here, you will be able to access all the primary settings of your iPhone. Then, you should scroll a little bit. Tap on General. Here, you will be able to manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Now, scroll down a little bit and find the language and region option. Once you're in, tap on the Add Language button. Now, select a language from here. Tap on it. Set the language as your primary language. There you go, you have successfully changed the language on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.